Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to explore something truly new and transformative that can enhance various aspects of your life. How? Well, as the saying goes, health is wealth. Having a lot of money but being unhealthy won't bring you much benefit. On the other hand, if you're healthy, you can achieve anything with a balanced lifestyle and the ability to focus. Many of you might be struggling with your goals and overall well-being. You can turn things around by adding this magical product into your daily routine, Lion's Mane Mushroom Liquid Extract. It can solve your basic problems facing almost every age group, such as weak immunity, weak digestion, anxiety and mood swings, stress and depression, heart health, cancer, etc. But what exactly are lion's mane mushrooms? Lion's mane mushroom, also known as Hericium erinaceus, is a unique fungus that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly in Chinese and Japanese practices, due to its potential to support overall health and well-being. Lion's mane mushrooms have a distinctive, shaggy appearance resembling a white, fluffy mane or pom-pom, with long cascading spines hanging down from their body. These mushrooms typically grow on hardwood trees, especially oak, beech, and maple, in temperate forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. Lion's mane mushrooms are prized for their culinary uses, offering a mild, seafood-like flavor and a meaty texture that makes them popular in vegetarian and vegan dishes. They contain bioactive compounds such as hericenones and erinacines, believed to contribute to their health benefits. Lion's mane mushrooms can be consumed fresh, cooked, or dried, and are also available in various forms like liquid, capsules, powders, and extracts for use in the dietary supplements. Ongoing scientific research is exploring the therapeutic potential of lion's mane mushrooms, particularly their effects on brain health, inflammation, and overall wellness. People value lion's mane mushrooms for their ability to protect nerves. They have been shown to promote the growth and repair of nerve cells, enhancing cognitive function and memory. Additionally, they may protect against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Lion's mane mushrooms also support nerve regeneration and help alleviate symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage and pain. They possess strong anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce inflammation throughout the body, supporting overall immune function and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, lion's mane mushrooms promote digestive health by fostering a healthy gut microbiome, reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, and improving symptoms of disorders like irritable bowel syndrome. Research suggests they may even have antidepressant and anxiolytic effects, improving mood and reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. They enhance immune function by supporting the production of immune cells, aiding the body in fighting infections and diseases more effectively. Furthermore, lion's mane mushrooms may improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels and promoting healthy blood pressure. You can take lion's mane mushroom as a liquid extract by adding 2 to 3 drops of it to hot or cold water, or with any other water-based beverages like juice or soup to get its health benefits. To see significant improvements in your health, you need to follow this regimen consistently for 3 months. You will notice positive changes in your lifestyle and stamina. If you are worried about quality and price, let us reassure you. The mushroom shelf offers the best quality at an affordable price of just Rs 1,950 in 30 milliliters bottle. Simply visit our website, taymushroomshelf.com, choose the product you need, add it to your cart, and place your order. This is an amazing opportunity to meet your biggest health supporter. Purchase it now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more updates.